Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong araw na ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Melon Plus o Prime Logics Marketing Inc. So, ito po basahin po natin yung nakapaloob po sa SEC advisory laban nga dyan sa Melon Plus. The Commission has received information that individuals or group of persons representing Melon Plus or Prime Logics Marketing Inc. are allegedly enticing the public to invest their money in said entity. As posted on their website, Melon Plus or Prime Logics Marketing Inc. features dropshipping platform, membership card club, affiliate reward system, and discounts and vouchers. A prospective investor or an affiliate may enjoy privileges such as access to Melon Plus factory priced products, up to 40% discount on all Melon Plus products, discounted products in Melon Plus Mall, access to Melon Plus Mall promos, free vouchers with Melon Plus partner brands, free pass to Melon Plus exclusive events, and access to Melon Plus affiliate rewards. Yung isang investor, para nga daw maging subscriber or affiliate, dapat siyang mag-avail daw nung minimum package na worth 2,990 pesos. So, base nga sa ginawang investigasyon nga ng SEC, ito yung nakita nila daw mga pinapangakong ways of earning dyan sa Melon Plus. So, ayun nga sa Melon Plus, a prospective investor will become a new affiliate and can now enjoy the 6 ways of earning. So, tignan natin yung 6 ways of earning dyan sa Melon Plus. So, ang una syempre ay yung direct referral commission. So, ang direct referral commission daw ay 1,000 points for every recruit. At 1 point daw is equal to 1 peso. So, yung direct referral commission or DRB ay 1,000 pesos. Kasi nga, kada daw recruit ng isang investor ay makaka-earn siya ng 1,000 points at yung 1,000 points ay equal sa 1 peso. At syempre, meron ding indirect referral commission. So, sa second level daw, 200 points or 200 pesos. Sa third level is 100 points or 100 pesos. Ganon din sa fourth level. Tapos sa fifth level daw ay 60 points or 60 pesos. At from 6th hanggang 10th level daw ay 20 points or 20 pesos. Ang pangatlo naman daw ay yung subscription box. So, part daw nung 2,990 pesos na membership fee ay yung 500 pesos ay mapupunta daw sa subscription fee to access tools and the system at 2.5% commission for every affiliate under your box. At pang-apat is yung multi-tier commission na 50% commission of the total subscription box earning of your direct referral. Tapos indirect multi-tier bonus or commission, 10% commission on the second level, 5% commission on third and fourth level, at 3% commission on the fifth level. Tapos panghuli yung drop shipping commission daw. Pero wala pa raw yan doon sa platform. So, may pangako din silang drop shipping dyan sa Melon Plus. So, yan yung 6 ways of earning daw dyan. While Melon Plus is registered with Companies Registry of Hong Kong, they are operating in the Philippines under the name Prime Logics Marketing Inc., headed by Mr. John Jericho Hayagan Operio and Mr. Jerwin Hayagan Operio. Meron din daw video presentation na nagsisirculate online na pinapakita nga na si Mr. Rainer Cadiz na isa sa incorporator ng iWatch.ph ay part daw ng company. Dahil siya ay isa sa mga nag-explain at nagpe-present nga ng marketing scheme ng Melon Plus o ng Prime Logics Marketing Inc. Nag-issue nga noon ang SEC na advisory laban sa iWatch.ph at naglabas din sila ng order of revocation revoking its registration as a corporation for violation of Section 44 of the Revised Corporation Code of the Philippines in relation to Sections 8.1 and 28.1 of the Securities Regulation Code and Section 6I 1 and 2 of PD 902-A, Section 5.1M of the SRC, and Section 179J of the RCCP. In the instant case, the scheme of Melon Plus or PrimeLogics Marketing Inc. has the characteristics of a pyramid scheme. The pyramiding scheme involves securities because for payment of a sum of money, often nominal, the investor participates in a recruitment scheme that promises a stream of profits. The scheme that requires recruitment in a two-pronged structure takes the form of a pyramid, one that grows wider at the bottom and thrives with the supply of new recruits to the scheme. Here, the recruitment fees collected from new recruits are used to pay the recruiting commissions to earlier recruits. As the scheme of Melon Plus or PrimeLogics Marketing Inc. involves the sale of securities to the public, the SRC requires that the issuing entity must be a registered corporation with the SEC, the said securities offered are duly registered, and that the appropriate license and or permit to offer and sell securities to the public are issued to the corporation and or its agents pursuant to the provisions of Sections 8 and 28 of the SRC. Records of the Commission show that while PrimeLogics Marketing Inc. is registered with the Commission as a corporation, it is not authorized to solicit investments from the public as it did not secure prior registration and or license to solicit investments from the Commission as prescribed under Section 8 and 28 of the SRC. So, ibig sabihin, yung PrimeLogics Marketing Inc. o yung Melon Plus ay hindi po pwedeng manghingi or mag-solicit ng investment sa publiko dito sa Pilipinas dahil wala po silang secondary license. Further, Republic Act number 11765 or the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act or FCPA also prohibits investment fraud, which is defined under the law as any form of deceptive solicitation of investments from the public, which includes Ponzi schemes and such other schemes involving the promise or offer of profits or returns sourced from the investments or contributions made by the investors themselves, and the offering or selling of investment schemes to the public without a license or permit from the SEC. Nagbabala din po ang SEC para doon sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents, representatives, promoters, recruiters, uplines, influencers, endorsers, abettors, and enablers of Melon Plus or PrimeLogics Marketing Inc. in soliciting or convincing people to invest in the investment scheme being offered by the said entity, including soliciting investments or recruiting investors through the internet, may be held criminally liable under Section 11 of the FCPA and Section 28 of the SRC, and for the two offenses, both penalized separately with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or imprisonment of 21 years or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. At ire-report din po ng SEC lahat nga ng mga pangalan ng mga involved dyan nga po sa Melon Plus o PrimeLogics Marketing Inc. sa Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR para nga sa kaukulang mga multa at mga buwis na dapat bayaran. The public is advised not to invest or stop investing in any investment scheme being offered by any individual or group of persons allegedly for or on behalf of Melon Plus or PrimeLogics Marketing Inc. and to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments for and on behalf of it. So ayan nga po mga kababayan, nagbabala na nga ang SEC na wag na nga daw kayo mag-invest at tumigil na kayo sa pag-i-invest dyan po sa Melon Plus or PrimeLogics Marketing Inc. Kung kayo po ay nakasali na dyan or nakapag-invest po, humingi na po kayo ng refund. At kung meron daw kayo impormasyon tungkol nga sa operation ng Melon Plus or Prime Logics Marketing Inc. ay pwede nyo daw tawagan yung Enforcement and Investor Protection Department or EIPD ng Securities and Exchange Commission sa kanilang telephone number na 8818-6047 o pwede nyo rin daw silang i-email sa kanilang email na epd@sec.gov.ph o pwede nyo rin daw silang bisitahin sa kanilang opisina sa Commission's Enforcement and Investor Protection Department na nasa 9th floor, the SEC Headquarters, 7907 Makati Avenue, Salcedo Village, Barangay Bel Air, Makati City. Itong advisory ay inilabas noong September 8, 2023. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.